Hello YouTube, this is Thor the Engine again, back at it again. As promised, there's a video of this new horn I acquired. There we go. So I'm here out in the honking field, as I call it. And we're going to give this thing a few honks. Alright, so I got this set up. It's ready to honk. I have it set to where I have this piece here where I can just attach my blowgun to the open valve here and just push down on that. Pretty ingenious idea, but it was the quickest and easiest thing I could think of to get this thing activated. So let's give it a couple of honks. All right, here we go. Got our hearing protection because these things are stupid loud. And we're ready to honk in 3, 2, 1. God damn. That was pretty intense. That was ridiculous. Yeah, these things are pretty nice.